¿No está todos? Good afternoon. Today we are going to see a new topic. The new topic is simple past. Okay? And I have some questions for you. What did you do yesterday? You danced. You mean past tense, no? Yes? Something that you did yesterday. Okay, thank you. What did you do yesterday? You watched TV. Okay? What did you do yesterday? So you listened to music. What did you do yesterday? You mean you went, because it's past tense. Okay? So my question is, what did you do in the past? Not what do you do in this moment. Okay? What did you do the last weekend? You? Okay, I need the verb in past. So what do you think is the verb in past? Visited. Right? So I visited my parents. Right? What did you do the last weekend? You run. Okay? Run. Run is the past tense. So today we are going to talk about simple past. So past, it means actions that we did before now. Let me ask somebody else. Carmen. Carmen. What did you do yesterday? You mean you slept. Okay? So the past tense of the sleep is slept. Okay? So, what is simple past? When we use it? How do we use it? Let me start with a timeline. Okay? We have the future, present, and here we have the past. My question was, what did you do yesterday? Yesterday means sometime here. Okay? Here. Right now, we are here. So, we must write here the word yesterday. So, what did you do yesterday? I ate chicken. Okay? So, here we have the verb. The verb is in past. Okay? So, today we are going to learn that. What is simple past? Simple past, we use it to talk about actions that happened in the past. Okay? Sometimes the speaker does not mention when it occurred. Okay? So, look at, I ate chicken. When? Here, I can mention when, but the verb expresses that it happened sometime in the past. Okay? So that is simple past. Do you have any questions until now? No? Okay? So that is simple past. Remember, simple past, actions in the past. We have a very good timeline. Okay, let's continue with the simple past. In English, when we want to form simple past statements, we know that we use verbs, right? So these verbs equals to actions. And in English, we have two types of verbs. Did you know that we have two types of verbs? We have regular verbs and we have irregular verbs. The regular verbs, they have a French origin, and the irregular ones, they have a German origin. Okay, so we have two types of verbs. So very important. Then we start with an affirmative statement. Okay? When we want to form affirmative statements, of course, we need a personal pronoun or a subject. The happy face represents the subject. What else do we need? We need a verb. Okay? And the verb is in past. And then at the end we need a rest or a complement. Okay? For example, we can say she. Okay? I need a verb. She, what about ate? She ate a sandwich. Okay? So she ate a sandwich. Here, my verb is in past. So very important. The verb is in past. So, what do you think about this verb? Do you think this verb is regular or an irregular verb? Regular or regular? Regular. Okay, that's a irregular verb. Okay, we have here it, and the past is ate. Okay? We know that in English we have regular verbs, and regular verbs, they end in ed. Okay? All the regular verbs, they end in ed. That is something very important about regular verbs. All the verbs that are regular end in ed. For example, we have the verb play. So the past tense is going to be play. Okay? But we have some rules, of course, about them. Okay? For example, we have the verb work. So the past tense is going to be work. Okay? So later we are going to talk about simple past regular verbs pronunciation. Know all the verbs that end in ed, the pronunciation is ed. Okay? For example, work, the past tense is not work, it's work. Later we are going to talk about those things. And we have, for example, the verb try. Okay? We have a very important rule here. When you have a verb that is regular and it ends in y, we must drop the y and change it into I plus ed. Okay? So try, the past tense is going to be try. Okay? Okay, those are regular verbs. Let me write another example of irregular verbs. Fly, the past tense is going to be flew. Right? For example, put, the past tense is going to be put. Okay. We go back to our affirmative statement. Here, she ate a sandwich. The verb is in past. Okay? In simple present, we used to use two auxiliary verbs, do and does. We use do for I, we, you, and they. And we use does for he, she, and it. Okay? But here, in simple past, we are going to use this auxiliary verb. Okay? We are going to use did. We are going to use did with all of these personal pronouns. So we are going to use it with I, we, you, they, he, she, and it. Okay? All of these personal pronouns will contain the auxiliary did. Something very important, we use it for negative and for questions. Never for affirmative statements. When we want to form the negative statement, we must use the auxiliary did. So, we use did plus the negative word that is did not, and we have a conjunction did. Okay? So here we have our affirmative statement, the subject, the verb in past, and the rest. Okay? I guess we have problems until now. What's your read this part? You know that all the auxiliary, all the personal pronouns will use the auxiliary. What about